Hi there, and today we are going to learn how to install Python on Windows. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on the download button, and then you can proceed to click on Download Python 3.7.4. Once it's downloaded, click on the file at the bottom left corner of your browser to open the file and begin the installation. Click on Install Now. The installer will show a green progress bar, and once it's done, you can hit close. We're going to test out our installation by writing a simple script. Now type in Python on the Windows search bar and click on Python 3.7 from the results. Once the shell is up, we can type print, then parentheses, and within those parentheses we'll have quotes as an open and close quotes, and within that we would have hello space world. And congratulations, you just installed Python and created your first script. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe.